Welcome to Cruising with Jake. I'm Jake. That's Smoke. Let's go cruising. Hey guys, welcome back to Cruising with Jake. It's Jake. That's my wife Tamara. We got Smoke back here. We're at the second annual Covenant Community Church Memorial Car Show. I've got to go to work, so I'm actually going to turn the camera over to my beautiful wife here. She's going to be taking y'all around and showing you cool cars, talking to people today, and just seeing what kind of things are out here. There's a bunch of beautiful cars out here. We got here early, got registered, checked in. We're in a 2000s to present truck class, so hopefully we do good. There's a few of them out here. I'll let Tamara take you around and show you some of the trucks here in a little while. But there's cars. There's a BMW Izetta here. I'm sure she'll show you. There's some Volkswagen Bugs. There's a bunch of different stuff out here. So I'm going to turn everything over to her and let her take it from here. I'm going to work, and we'll see y'all later.
Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna take you around and go look at some cars here. So bear with me. I am definitely new at this, so I'll do the best that I can. All right. All right, guys, I'm back and wanted to kind of show you guys the engine that they're going to be raffling off today. Here we go. Look at that thing. Nice little LS engine. And this is the line still for people to register their vehicles. Let's take a look at these cars. Like we got Festus over here. Flash. That's right. You guys probably remember him from one of the videos a while back. It's called the Funny Farm. '77 Chevrolet Funny Farm. Got 2 motors. Morning.
Hello.
How's this to drive?
Good.
Yeah?
It's fun.
I bet. Interesting. I'm sure, and the turning is interesting. Very cool. Excuse me. Here's the other motor. Crazy. Hey guys, I found our buddy Gary in his beautiful Cadillac. So let me turn this camera around and show you guys. Look at this thing. see my little buddy, my other buddy friend, Winston. Let's go say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi.
He's like, she looked at me.
I had to come say hi again.
Yo, yeah, say hi.
All right, guys. Well, I made it back from work. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed the video that my beautiful wife Tamara took. But we got something very special. He got a trophy. Took first place in 2000s and up trucks. I'm proud of it. We put a lot of hard work into smoke. I'm so grateful that my beautiful wife loves this stuff as much as I do, and was able to stay here and show the truck off and bring home some hardware. You got anything to add?
Had a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed my videoing. I need to practice more.
She needs to practice more. The wind's about to blow the camera. Yeah, absolutely. But the only way she'll get better at it is if she does it more. And I would love to have her more on the channel more. We've got a lot of big things coming up. I'm actually fixing as soon as we leave here, we're headed home. We're installing a line lock on Smoke, getting him ready for the Perry Cruise. I plan on going and trying to win $1,000 in the burnout competition. But also that weekend, don't forget, we also have the truck gathering up in Guthrie, Oklahoma. So come see us there. Guys, I appreciate y'all watching. The wind's about to blow it over. Here, let's get you a close-up of the trophy here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's a big block rod, some spark plugs to make a smiley face, and then they CNC'd a piece of aluminum for the plaque. Oh, hold on. Sorry about the wind. Oh, yeah, we don't want to blow over on the truck. So, guys, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell me what y'all think. How did Tamara do on the video today? Tell us what car you thought was the coolest. And remember, don't worry about it, and